Welcome to the channel. Today's episode we're going to be finishing up this Global Mx5 Cup car repair. You're going to finally get to see the car completed. Well, as complete as we can get it. So stay tuned. We've got to make the inside pocket of this door black. So what we're going to do is get it all taped up, get it sanded, and then we can start spraying on the black. The inside pocket of these Global Mx5 Cup cars are painted with a matte black, and Long Road Racing does that when they build the cars. So I try to duplicate that, and I think I did a pretty good job on this one. So he's getting the wheels put on. We're going to get this thing on the ground and get it off the frame machine. Alright, so we got this car off the frame machine. My brother's already got everything sanded, so let's get it inside the booth so he can get it all taped up. Car's in the booth. My brother's got it all taped up and sanded. It's been wiped down one time, so let's get my paint suit on and get some sealer mixed up. Paint suit's on, white sealer's mixed up. So let's go put one coat of sealer on these quarter panels. Alright, so the sealer's been sprayed on there. We gave it a 15-minute flash time. While we were waiting, we went ahead and mixed up this single stage. So we're going to apply 2 coats of single stage with a 15-minute flash time in between coats. So come on in the booth, let me show you how I do it. Alright, so I got the last coat of single stage sprayed on there. Looks pretty good. Come on in the booth, let me show you what it looks like. So I thought it looked pretty good. Let me know what you thought about the paint job in the comments section down below. All that's left for me to do now is get this paint suit off, get my paint gun cleaned out, and head to the house. We'll let this dry overnight, come back in the morning, and put everything back together. Alright, so it's the next morning. I apologize if I'm not super enthusiastic, because I'm really not a morning person. So I'm going to finish up this coffee, and then we can get this car put back together. We got to get this Global Mx5 Cup car put together because he's coming down from Maryland to pick it up today. time lapse brought to you by Monster. Well, we got this thing all put back together. Well, as far as we can get it put back together. The headlights, the engine, all of the radiator, all that stuff will be put in by the race team up in Maryland when they do the final assembly. We more or less just hang all the sheet metal and all the parts that we have on the car just so it'd make it a little bit easier for transport.
The thing that concerns me the most, if the grocery stores run out of food, that means we'll have to hunt for our food. And I don't really know where Doritos live.
Alright, so that's going to be about it for this video and this series. I hope you guys are enjoying watching these videos because I'm having a great time making them. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and clicking on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any thoughts or questions about the video, you can leave it in the comment section down below. I hope everybody's safe out there. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya!